Today I am here to share our result in JEE Mains Phase 1 2024, and we are quite happy to share with you that 18 of our students got percentile above 90, out of which 4 students have got above 99 percentile. Every year we are producing excellent result in JEE Mains as well as Advanced. We are also producing excellent result in NEET, and last year, as you all know, that we gave All India rank 39 in ISI Indian Statistical Institute exam. When we get the student, when their parents admit their kids to us, they have a lot of expectations, lot of hopes, and we are happy that we stand firm with their hopes and we fulfill their dreams.
Hello, I am Varun Siguera. I have scored 99.17 percentile in JEE Mains January session. About Estellar'S Academy, it is a very great place if you want to clear JEE Mains and Advanced and even NEET and also competitive exams.
My name is Estellar'S. I scored 99.33 percentile in January first attempt, JEE Mains. I would definitely recommend Estellar'S Academy to all the aspirants because my experience with them was the best, and I assure you that yours will be too.
Hello, my name is Ammar Lashkarwade and I secured 99.2 percentile in my JEE Main January session. About Estellar'S Academy, the teachers were very cooperating and helpful, and we were provided with regular test series which were a great boost in my preparation. Also, the teachers are very helpful and you can approach them anytime for your doubts, which was a great help.
Hello, I'm Super Studankar. I've scored 99.436 percentile in the January attempt of JEE Mains 2024. I personally feel that Estellar'S Academy is better than every other coaching institute here in Goa and also in other states because they have excellent test series. The module is really very good. I recommend my school juniors to join Estellar'S Academy for JEE Mains Advanced and also NEET. They will help you really well and help you to score a great percentile.